rugged and dependable, this HME Type-6 Wildland is ready to go for service with the City of Vallejo, California. The HME Type-6 features easy to maintain, easy and economical to repair HME stainless steel Wildland body. The modular aircraft quality construction allows quick replacement of damaged panels only, reducing downtime and repair costs. That's a big plus for wildland trucks like this that are subjected to challenging operations in all sorts of environments. Brushed stainless steel compartments are designed for essential wildland tools and rescue gear. The Ford F550 4x4 chassis provides access to rough wildland 2-tracks and obstacles, as well as excellent performance in interface operations. The XLT crew cab offers positions for a crew of 4, along with the support for communication systems and equipment. The Slip-in Wildland Type-6 pump, backed with a 400-gallon water tank, along with a Class A foam system and 17-gallon tank, and booster reel for pump and roll, provide excellent fire suppression performance for wildland and interface operations. For more information about HME Wildlands, visit firetrucks.com. For HME Ahrens-Fox, I'm Rich Fleeman.